Hello everyone, today we are at Ashby Castle. There we go. And then we've got here, if I try and walk back, and I'm just trying to, because there is a bit more further up, so what I'm going to do is I'm just up the embankment. And if you do hear that in the air, it's Charlotte the drone. She's around somewhere. I don't know if we're going to get her in the shot. Ashby de la Zouch Castle, the remains of a 15th century castle on the site of an earlier manor house dating to the 11th century. The fortified manor of Ashby was first referenced in the Domesday Book as the property of Robert de Beaumont, later Earl of Leicester, who had owned it since 1100. In 1160, the Earls of Leicester granted the tenancy to the Zouch family, beginning with Ordelaine de Parrot la Zouch. The family then occupied the manor until their line died out in 1399, making various additions and extensions to the manor, including a new hall and solar. I hear Charlotte. Charlotte the drone. Their holding included a 60-acre deer park, rabbit warren and dog cart. The period of expansion from manor to castle began in the 15th century, when Edward IV granted both the house and land to his Lord Chamberlain, William, Lord Hastings, in gratitude for his loyalty and his actions at the Battle of Towton. Lord Hastings had plans for an impressive castle with the old manor house at its core. In 1474, he was granted the right to crenellate several of his manors, as well as to surround them with deer parks. Had he completed his plans for Ashby, his main residence, the imposing castle with its proposed 4 mighty towers would have been set in a deer park of over 340 acres. Hastings also ordered the building of a chapel in Perpendicular style. However, Hastings was executed by Richard, Duke of Gloucester, later Richard III, in 1483. The half-completed castle passed to Hastings' widow Catherine and remained in the Hastings family until the Civil War. Mary, Queen of Scots, was imprisoned there in 1569. During the Civil War, the massive tower constructed by William Hastings, along with the kitchen tower, was sited by order of Parliament. However, parts of the castle were habitable until the 1700s. In the 19th century, Ashby de la Zouch Castle achieved fame through Sir Walter Scott's novel Ivanhoe, as he used it as the setting for the tournament episode. What remains of the castle is still imposing. It is one of the few defensive constructions to have a genuine underground passage between the Hastings Tower and the kitchen tower. Most of the other so-called secret passageways in castles and ecclesiastical buildings are simply the main drain. Here is Charlotte the drone. Thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you all soon.